Hey everyone, it's Red with the RedDragonLeo.com. Not much really to add today. Sorry for the late post or late video. I had some stuff I had to do today. Anyway, I'm still expecting a move up to the fake print of 111.17. So even though this looks bearish, we did roll over here on the 15-minute chart. We came down, found support. Where did we find support? Right at that 109.20 print. Actually, it pierced it a little bit. If we go over here to Cobra's stuff, I think we can see that we went a little bit past the, we actually went to like 108.90, 108.92 or something. So went past it a little bit with momentum. And we know that that can happen sometimes as it's going down. So, and as you can see, we're getting overbought here, so we don't have much further to go. I expect it to probably just be a spike in the morning to flush out some weak hands to get up there at this 111.17, hit that fake print, and I think that's it. I think that's all there is to it. At the same time, the VIX can come down here, and you can see, it's kind of hard to see, but you can see that it is almost a gap fill. I've seen them trick us before like that, where they come close to a gap fill, but not quite. Then the next day they feel it. So don't be fooled if you see it pop up tomorrow. That's your opportunity to get short. So I know it looks like it's ready to fall off a cliff and ready to roll over, and it's pointing down. But we have that fake print, and they're gonna fulfill that now. Is it possible they roll down here first and then come back up? Well, sure, but I just don't think that's going to happen. They're too close to the top print, and I think once we roll over, we're going down hard. We ain't going back up here to this 111 print anytime soon, which is about 1107 to area right here where the chart pattern guy's drawn his line. So that's about where it's at. So we know that fake print is right about where the fib level is as well. Which, how convenient is that, huh? So that's what I'm expecting here. We're looking at the daily chart. We can see it it's looking to roll up, but again, I after tomorrow, I think it's going to peak, and then it'll roll over into the close Friday or Thursday, drop some Thursday, and then hopefully fall off a cliff on Friday if that'd make me happy. All you bears, I'm a bear, so I hope all you guys will be happy too if you get your positions right. But this weekly sure looks bad. Let me tell you, that cross right there, it's almost crossed. It's just looking bad. But everything is on schedule right now. Nothing out of the ordinary here. What's kind of a shakeout move today. This, roll down and then back up. So, and it's a shakeout move. Look at it here. They rolled it over here, back up, rolled it back down, back up. They're doing the same thing here. Down, up, only this time they didn't go down as far. And now this time they're going to go up there and pierce it. They're going to hit it. You can see here that down here in the full stochastics, it could turn at any time. At any time. It's past the 50 line, so it doesn't have much further down to go. So it could turn back up at any time. You can see how small the little histogram tower is below zero, and that's a positive divergence there going up there, and positive divergence going up there. Now it could, like I said, it could go down in the morning, on the whatever the initial claims numbers are. No question about it. It could go down a little bit. I think it backed off a little bit in after hours, and it's about 1088 or something last I looked. So certainly it could, but you could look at it as higher highs. 1, 2, 3, 4 higher highs along the way, and so that's what I'm looking for, to maybe possibly go down just a little in the morning, and but then to roll back up one last time, and to get up here this time and take this out and get up here to 1107 or area, which again go by the fake print 111.17 on the SPY. So we hit that. That, in my opinion, is the ideal shorting position, because that's going to squeeze some bears out. Everybody that went short here and got shook out they went short on the way down here, and they got shook out on this move up, and now they're going to shake out the rest of them, the retail traders. And so, you know, that's I think that's what's going to happen. So tomorrow could end up being the start of the big down move, but it'll pop first, I do believe. And I went up here in Cobra's, tried to and read his after bell quick summary. And hold on, I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, gang, I'm back. Of course, to you guys that was only a second, but to me it was like a 10-minute phone conversation. Sorry about that. Anyway, Cobra's got something interesting right here. You should go check it out. And I'll be interested to see what he says for his tonight's post. But this little chart here, he talks about the put to call ratio, and it looks like some big buyers, according to what he's saying here, are let's see, somebody bought huge index puts while the retailers are buying huge amounts of calls. So, who do you think that is? That certainly isn't the little guy. So keep that in mind. That's telling you, folks, a turn's coming. So tomorrow, you know, it just makes sense. I mean, I've seen them screw the bears so many times. Bears will get short here, and then they'll take them down, and then they'll rally them the next day and squeeze out the bears, and then they'll get short here, a second row of bears will, then they'll take it down. And then they'll boom, break overhead resistance, pop up there, clear out all them stops, take out all these bears, and then do a hard reversal on it. We've all seen this, so you got to get used to it. I've seen it back here at this point right here. It looked like we were ready to roll over here, and then it popped up and then gapped up here, and then hard reversal. I mean, look at that one there. So this is a common thing. I mean, in here too, it looked like it was ready. Actually, this trend line that the chart pattern guy drew was not there. It was more like this right here, and this area right here had actually broken down. I believe if you connect these right here, this area had broken the trend line, and so it was a perfect bear flag down, sideways consolidation. Ready to fall off a cliff, and nope, didn't do it, rallied. And then they did the same thing again here. So they are trying to squeeze every last bear out before they tank this puppy. I believe it's going down, folks. We got a turn date next week as well. I think the 26th, I believe. This spiral guy here, which you can go check out his stuff. He's been pretty accurate. Again, I'm going to refer to him. His link is on my chart. You can see I posted there for him and asked him if I could talk about his stuff and promote him. And but his turn date, and a lot of other people have the same turn date. Scroll down here, and his turn date again is the 26th and 27th, which is what, like Monday or Tuesday or something next week. Get my little calendar out here. Sorry. Let me. What is this? Let's see. That is okay. 26, 27. Okay, next Thursday or Friday. Okay. So sorry. Next Thursday or Friday. So that would make a lot of sense. So maybe maybe do some selling on tomorrow after they pop up. Sell off some and sell off some on Friday, and then fool any bears again. Turn around, chop around, go up a little, sideways, up a little, whatever, into this 26th and 27th, and then really take it down. So, you know, that's just guessing right now. But anyway, it goes. Like I said, I don't know the wave count on this. If this whole thing was an A, and then this was a B, and then maybe we're getting a final wave C right here or something like that. Again, I'm not an Elliott wave person and don't really specialize in that, but looks like we're doing exactly what I expected here on these histogram tower bars. So we could put in a third one tomorrow if we pop up and run up like I expect. We could put in one more third one that would give it three histogram towers, and there would be sloping down, which would be the negative divergence that we would be needing as the market goes up. And so this would push this up a little bit higher before it finally rolls over and dies. So aren't you bears excited? I hope you are. I hope everybody is. I hope everybody's making some money from this. So I guess that's it, gang. Can't think of anything else to say. Just look for that print. Even if we sell off some in the morning, you know, on the initial claims, look for the print to hit tomorrow at 11:17 at some point. That's it. See ya.